It is 1:01 p.m. Tuesday, July 5th, 2022. That was Romanian State Railways train 8081 heading from Bucharesti North Station, Gara du Nord, to North Station, Bucharest, to the port of Constanta. I just got off here at Fetiste. I'm going to stay here for a couple hours and then go back to Bucharest. And this is a DMU local train here, I think probably a private operator. It's like there's a freight yard here, cereal wagons, in other words, covered hoppers of grain. Who knows, maybe that's coming from Ukraine, headed for the port of Constanta, Romania. We were doing 95 miles an hour coming down here from Bucharesti on the train 8081, one electric locomotive, 5 coaches. Let's have a look at the station. I'll grab my backpack. We were due here at 12:55 p.m. The round trip cost me 30 lei, about $6 round trip. I think 150 kilometers one way or a round trip. Left at 11:30. Wow, this is a modern station now. I'm gonna find a place for lunch before I take any YouTube videos from my YouTube channel, Russell Sharp, Russell space Sharp, capital R, little U, SSELL, space, capital S, little HARP. And it is 1:05 p.m. Tuesday, July 5th, 2022, Fetiste, Romania, on the main line from Bucharest to Constanța, over and out.